Hi guys, this is Nemyinspired and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my grandma, that is my mom who is also a grandma, is going to be making abacha. So thank you for watching. So we are going to use this local pot and this local spoon. Then we are going to roast the local nutmeg. It gives it a specific type of flavor which you can't get anywhere. You roast it, all right, before pounding. Okay, we've added the Cameroon pepper. We also roast the pepper. It makes it hotter and also give it a particular type of flavor. So she's roasting it right now. Okay, before we start, next, this is the utazi leaf. Then we have our garden eggs, chopped garden eggs. We have our onion, we have our fish, fried fish. There's the Abacha, but it's not shown here. So we are going to bleach the oil a little bit. So the oil is going to be bleached a little bit, not like frying, but just to bleach it. Okay. So dissolve the potash. We have to dissolve it so that there will not be lumps in it. Okay. Then we'll add the ungo. This ungo is made of dried palm fronds. It's a thickening agent to it. You add the ungo to it with the potash. It thickens the oil and blends with the oil, right? So that's what she's doing right now. Okay. Then right now we are going to add the bleached oil and we'll keep stirring. Usually oil and water don't go together, but with this potash and with this ungo, you'll see that it's going to blend perfectly, and we are going to get an orange like color at the end of the blending. You blend it for like 5 minutes or 10 minutes depending on how patient you are and what you want. You get an orange like color. We are using this local pot because this local pot is round, so stirring this abacha involves a lot of stirring. So stirring is easier with this local pot and with this eku with this local spoon. So you can see that stirring it is easier, unlike using the regular pot. Some people also use mortar for it, but whatever one you want to do, it's just the end result that matters, right? Okay, now so we are going to add the pepper and also the local nutmeg, and also continue stirring. Yeah, this making of abacha involves a lot of stirring because all the ingredients should be blended perfectly. That's why you stir and stir and stir till you get what you want. You can see that the water and the oil has blended perfectly because of the potash and the ungo that was added. Yeah, so it has blended perfectly into a smooth paste, right? All right, so we continue blending and blending till we get what we want. So now we are adding the ogiri. That is the local ogiri. This attracts a lot of flies, so when you are doing it, you have to be very careful. Blend this ogiri very well. Anybody that eats this ogiri in your food will never forgive you. Okay, we've added the abacha. We soak the abacha in cold water for like a minute. Okay, then you continue blending it. You continue stirring. All right. So next, now we added a little water and we'll continue stirring because the abacha is still strong, and the more you stir, the more you get what you want. All right, so now we are going to add the utazi, that is the bitter leaf, to it. You see that all the ingredients are added one after the other. This one gives a bitter taste. Add salt to taste. All right, add salt to taste. Okay, now these are onion. We are going to add our onion to it. You continue to stir. This is the Abacha. I forgot to snap it earlier on, so you add your Abacha to it. All right, all these are local condiments as a grandma consign. All right, so you continue to stir. And why you don't use hot water to melt it is that one. Okay, now we are going to add our garden egg, chopped garden egg. We chop it into small pieces and stir. Some people put it like that, maybe after serving, just like to beautify the food, but we chopped ours. Okay, so that is it, and use 30. Everything blends fully. If the potash is not enough, you can melt the potash somewhere, add, or even add oil to make sure that everything blends perfectly, right? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We just added a little salt to taste and everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Love you. Bye bye.